Got another drop and go control power board built, ready, tested to go out. I'm going to power it up here. Okay, we got power and everything. Dennis is going to hit the start button.
Well,
usually hit twice to get the motivation going. Foot drives are running. It's pre-wired. All things are labeled. You can see here the dome motor operation. Everything's labeled for easy hookup. You know, sounds. You got the amplifier. Your speakers already pre-wired. MP3 trigger board with SD card slot for upgrade for more sounds. This can run on 12 or 24 volts. It's all fused, and you got an extra room for more upgrades later on down the road. It's got a siren chin here, and this will run on 12 volts or 24. Thank you.